I still remember clearly the moment I sipped like a first kiss with sake.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah.
Oめでとうございます。
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Welcome.
So, Kaori-san,
Yes.
what is this?
This is, every year, so 1st of January. This is kind of Japanese ritual, drinking sake with spicy herbs infused.
Okay.
Yeah, this one can bring good luck and get rid of bad luck. So we really appreciate, I still remember. So when I was a children, I have a first contact with the sake.
Kids are usually not allowed to drink sake, but this is kind of like a special occasion.
So
Kids can sip.
yeah, I still remember clearly the moment I sipped like a first kiss with sake.
So cute.
Yeah.
And look at this beautiful cups and then so this is the, what is it called?
This one is nuri. Yeah, lacquer, Japanese traditional lacquer. So this one, takes a long time to, brush and then, yeah.
Where is it? Ishikawa Prefecture is popular for that,
Now
right?
there was a big earthquake.
Yeah.
And then, this one also kind of, jeopardize.
We have to buy to support the business, for sure. So this one's made of wood.
Made of wood?
Wood, right?
Yeah.
And then they paint on it with a special paint, and then looks kind of like this shiny and beautiful, right? Okay, and this is kind of like a specific style for the otoso. I learned a little bit, right?
Right.
So you put this kind of like, how do you say? It's kind of like a symbol, not a symbol. What do you say? Like paper, metal paper. This one is actually, but with a flower on it, and kind of like a represent like celebration.
And then Japanese people think, and white and red is a celebrating color. So we often use, symbolized for the good luck.
Okay, let's drink.
Let's drink.
Sip of Japan.
But before we drink, can we see?
What is like, what kind of color? This is kind of herbal sake.
Can I pour?
Yes. Can I have this one? Wow.
Looks like a kind of tea or whiskey.
Yeah, it's very golden. Yeah, this one infused by many different types of.
So it's kind of like an idea of. It's kind of like a similar to gin, maybe.
Oh, right.
Like infused with a lot of herbs.
Right? But this tradition comes from Heian period, like 8th century, almost more than 1,000 years ago.
Wow.
So this one is, at that time, people already enjoying herbal sake.
Oh, interesting.
So now, craft sake is getting popular. The idea is very similar to this kind of infusing a lot of interesting herb.
So if you wanna make your own otoso, what kind of sake do you use?
Any kind of sake should be okay, but I think this time we use junmai.
We're gonna talk about it later for different video.
And also we can use mirin, or we can add some kind of little bit sugar in it for the milder taste. So as you like.
Interesting. And this is the specific cup to drink?
Cup
What
to
do you call?
drink. Sakazuki.
Sakazuki. This
Yeah.
is sakazuki. Yeah, you see often for at the celebration.
Like a marriage
Yeah, marriage
or some kind of.
or small restaurant is a drinking with a big one, right?
Yeah.
Why 3? I don't know.
Yeah, 3 is also symbolized the lucky number.
Okay.
3 times 3 is 9.
Oh,
So
okay.
3 times 3 times equal 9. This kind of, number Japanese people, really appreciate. 3 and 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
So we take a 3 time to, complete the one sip.
Mm-hmm.
3,
Oh,
3,
1,
3.
2,
Yeah.
3?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay, so how we drink? I want to try.
So sometimes we just, use middle cup.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we can use all the cup, but sometimes the middle cup and the pour and the text.
Can I pour?
Yeah. So can I demonstrate?
Oh yeah. I want to see.
So this one
She's
is
gonna
like
show us the top probably.
don't do like that, like this,
Oh, okay.
and then 1, 2, 3.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. And then can I
Yeah.
serve for you? Sorry. This one.
Ah, use that
For you.
to serve.
Yeah, for you.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can.
Oh,
You can.
can
You
I?
can.
I
You
cannot.
can take.
Oh,
You can
okay.
take, and then
ありがとう
take
ござい
us
ます。
3 times sip.
3 time to complete
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
and then drink everything?
Yeah, you
Okay.
can if you can.
I can. いただきます。
Yeah.
Oh wow. Really like a
Yeah,
smells like.
supposed to drink younger one and then transfer to the elderly people.
Oh.
So elderly people can absorb the vibration from young people
Okay.
for the yeah.
Okay. So is it okay to hold like this? Or is there some way
Like
specifically?
like this.
Like-
Probably
like this?
Maybe it's like
Like
this.
this?
Yeah, like this. Yeah.
Okay. いただきます。
お願いします。
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I can taste the cinnamon.
Yeah.
Is it in there?
Cinnamon and then little bit like a
Sansho.
citrus, sansho.
Sansho is a kind of pepper and a citrus.
Good for
Wow.
health. Supposed to be good for health.
Oh, I can feel the stomach. It's getting warm. Interesting.
So we do this kind of thing on the New Year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to drink?
Yes. So I take a small cup.
Okay. Are you sure? Okay, so hold
お
like
願い
this.
します。Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
お
So いただきます。
はい。
This one is like a marriage. Okay. Nice. Yeah.
美味しいですね。
美味しいんですよね。美味しい。
Yeah, so if you want to try this kind of otoso, when you come to Japan, when I was in Canada, I didn't see, but when you come to Japan, you can get this kind of like a otoso.
You maybe find
like
in
a tea bag. kind
tea
of.
bag and then supermarket or drugstore.
Especially before the new year, the end of the year.
Yeah. But I can suggest you can make your own otoso
Oh.
with your favorite.
Yeah,
Cinnamon
that's
or
true.
orange, dried orange peel, anything. So this one is like, you can make a cocktail.
Oh, you can use the paper bag for the tea,
Right. Yeah.
and then you can put
Yeah.
the
Either you can just directly put some kind of,
Okay.
spice.
Yeah.
Any kind of, spice, like sometimes black pepper, cinnamon. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is another way of traditional types of cocktail. Or
Okay. Yeah, so please make your own otoso as you like, and we should celebrate the New Year together.
Together.
乾杯!
乾杯!
Oh, it's empty. Wait, we have to pour. 乾杯! I have to drink this.
Let's drink. Yeah, it's quite, yellowish.
Yeah.
For only, 4 or 5 hours. Yeah. I
Very
kind of
interesting.
like, yeah. Sometimes people use meeting. Yeah. Not bad, right?
Not bad.
Yeah. It's quite. Osechi cuisine. Yeah. Today I made
Ooh.
for you and for you.